Hello! So magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ngayon po is July 22, Monday. And kakagaling lang po namin sa Balway sa Blan Benguet para sa kick-off program ng Brigada Eskwela 2024 dito sa Benguet. And kung bakit kami nandun, meron po tayong MOA or Memorandum of Agreement signing kasama po ang DepEd Benguet kung saan tayo po ang mag-handle ng combat sports training ng mga athletes natin dito sa Benguet in 1 year. So, tara, tingnan po natin kung anong mga ginawa natin ngayong araw.
So there are seedlings there, and then that side ada giant dagijay seedlings giant pagmula.
Tapos ada dito yung partners tayo, ada dito yung private organization, sumusuporta lang tayo dito yung activity tayo. Ada dito yung group ni Sir Sangyao. They will known na pinakayahan not only in the Philippines but worldwide. Sir Mark. Ayun. Dati kakadwaya. Ay sige, tumakter ada dito yung kakadwa na ito. Sige. Na-train na kita ti bagkat. So nga, nung natin patrabaho yung madabdang para bagkat, iso ito yung kanya na niya.
I had the dialogue before when we had a meeting at the provincial capital. Since adati probability na adati host ti Karaa by next year, nagtungtong tayo piman with Coach Mark. Biro ko ti account lang ni Ma'am Jude, she's also a friend. Kad imbang na nabirukan tayo, iso da ito'y undertake tayo tatadya memorandum of agreement tayo. Kad na iso da piman ti bahala ti 1 year training iti entire Benguet division. They will cater to, of course, martial arts. Tada ti yes, ma'am. Individual sports, mamut lang ni Sir Sam, ESDS. Kat ibang nagbuwan nga dagos piman ni Coach Mark and ni Ma'am Jude. So, dahil undertaking tayo, actually, they started it already, EJ Benguet High and then Tishi, but now they will be coming up with nagiti da PSDS tayo, sports clinic ti amin nga districts ti Benguet. So encouraging all our learners tayo nga enthusiast iti martial arts, they will cater to boxing, kickboxing, Muay Thai, amin nga wushu, yeah, nagijay. So that ma-encourage nagiti learners tayo from all the districts of Benguet. So DIP man ti nagtulagan tayo nga free isuna iti 1 year. So siguro sir, Coach, we invite Coach Mark and the witnesses, Ma'am Sally, Sir Sam, Sir Lucio, to please proceed. The in charge of the MOA, please facilitate. Undertakings with Team Lakay. Once again, they will be giving their message of support. Yeah, damdaman ni Coach Mark. Okay, this time, please repeat po.
From our message from our partner from Team Lakay, Sir Mark Sangyao. Sir?
Sangyao. Mapay nga Sangyao, wala siya mismo kunada ka Chinese at edi. 2001 SEA Games. Nga before nga itutuloy ka ng istorya, naimbag na agsapat tayo amin from our officials, starting from Congressman, Governor, Vice Governor, nakita from the mayors, to our barangay captain, hanggang na dagito'y kadwa naman lang dito yan tayo, kagawas, and dagito'y teachers, from Judge DepEd. We'd like to thank the DepEd also for organizing this event with the help of Tagatuyan. Dagito'y partners tayo, different agencies, partners, and parents, mga ito estudyante amin, dagito'y na officialis yun, naka-uniforme, naimbag na sapat tayo amin. At malagit ko kami dito, Team Lakay, gana organize to ako, coach, organize to the event, napanunod tayo hindi nga through history na ibaga na nga dito ayan tayo mabingget kat na ganutin na i-produce na karkaro ti combative. Combative, kaya hanggang natin ibaga tayo bodybuilding, papintasan man, hanggang tayo but very competitive ti bingget. Ada ti plano tayo ini nga ibaga tayo matibingget kat aramidan tayo nga hub iti combative sports, which is in 2018 na-prove tayo data when we produced a total of 8 international championship belts. So we're very thankful for the DepEd nga kinontak na tayo. I think mas powerful pa ay tapno may disseminate tayo dagiti balak tayo nga kasi to extend our help iti youth tayo dito particularly dito Benguet tapno ma-encourage tayo pa dagiti ubing students, youth, to instill discipline to them kat I believe nga that is one also help for our baga tayo nga PNP to discipline them taamo tayo mutiubing dinalanan tayo detan may kan tayo pa iso dati disiplina kan instead of going to other bad vices or companionship kat may share na dyan time na dito not knowing I'm shocked mismo the experience ko kat naka-school up through sports scholarship, no? So siya kasungahan na ka umikikat or I know what this will do kan iti UC na umikikat nga coach tapno lang mai-share ko man kan matulungan tayo pa dagitoy da deserving athletes tayo doing their part when they're very passionate at makalpas na and through the experiences tayo manap-napan tayo ti abroad kat nakita tayo dagay programs iti different countries di start jay panagsuro dagiti ubing. And for them, while growing up, kat kalay ayam lang. It's part of their lifestyle. No? Iso nga iti kaya tayo matngayon may dito yung ti ubing, may share tayo kinyada habang dumakdakal da. Not knowing it's very helpful to them hanggang na maka-eskwila da, through scholarship. Uray manuan tayo nga nga maala jay tanak ngaton to ti competition kat through jay for themselves para jay health da. And no, it's a very big help to our community. Kat kunana nga ro, yung Proverbs, if you want to succeed, go alone. But if you want to go far, kunana, go with a team or a group. And this is happening now. So that's why, thank you very much, David. Thank you very much, Kanateo Amin. Diyos yan, Nina.
Thank you very much.